beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So you guys, in today's video, I am super excited because I am announcing the winner of the giveaway for the Makeup Revolution Unconditional Love Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette. Makeup Revolution has some long names for their eyeshadow palettes, but this is the Unconditional Love eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to show you guys right here. Let me open this up. It does have a mirror. I just don't want to blind you. Here are the shades. I will put swatches on my Instagram, so go check out my IG. I'll have them up at some point. I promise you guys that. And so I am going to announce the winner for the giveaway at the end of this video. We're going to do a look with this palette, and right now I have foundation on and I have set my face with the Cover FX powder, and everything that I use in this video on my face is going to be linked in the description box down below, along with the shadows that I use too. So pretty much everything that I use will be linked down below. However, I am not going to be speaking through this tutorial. I am just going to show you guys and let you guys listen to a little bit of music as we go along. So I will talk to you guys at the end of this video when I am ready to announce the winner. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and I will talk to you guys at the end. Okay, you guys, we are back, and this is the finished eye look. I do have the Lily Lashes NYC on, and I didn't use any tweezers, so props to me because they're not crazy wonky. So the last thing I'm going to do is a lip, and then I'm going to announce the winner for this palette. So I'm going to use the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Nude. You can see this is very well loved, and I'm just going to slap that on very quick. And then I'm going to put on the shade Skinny Dip by Gerard Cosmetics. This is a liquid lipstick. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed, finished look. We are glammed out head to toe. We're just going to do one more thing that we cannot forget, and that is use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh, girl. That stuff is everything. Okay, so let's get into the winner of the giveaway for this palette. Okay, everyone, so the winner for the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Forever Flawless Unconditional Love eyeshadow palette is Sarah Barnes or Barnes. I am going to put her name right here, and by the time that this video is out, I have already contacted her, so hopefully she gets back to me. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. That's everything for this video. I am going to be doing more giveaways for holiday, like I said, so don't be upset if you did not win this palette. There's more to come. So yeah, you guys, that is it. That's a wrap. That's everything. If you guys like this look, then give it a like. If you guys like this video, then like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I love you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.